If your garage in Austin has become more of a storage unit than a functional space, it may be time for a serious decluttering session. From old furniture and broken appliances to piles of unused tools and miscellaneous junk, garages often accumulate years' worth of clutter. While the idea of cleaning out your garage yourself may seem tempting, hiring a professional junk removal company can make the process faster, easier, and more efficient. Here's why a junk removal service in Austin is the best solution for reclaiming your garage space. Save time and energy. Garage cleanouts can be overwhelming, especially if you have large, bulky items or years of accumulated clutter. Sorting through everything, lifting heavy objects, and figuring out what to do with unwanted items can take hours or even days. A junk removal company can handle all the heavy lifting, saving you from physical strain. Quickly sort and haul away items, streamlining the process. Ensure proper disposal, eliminating the need for multiple trips to the landfill or donation centers. With professionals handling the job, you can focus on organizing your newly cleared space rather than spending days hauling away unwanted junk. Proper disposal and recycling. One of the biggest challenges of decluttering a garage is figuring out how to properly dispose of different types of items. Many household items, such as electronics, paint cans, old car parts, and appliances, require specific disposal methods. A junk removal service in Austin ensures that reusable items are donated to local charities. Recyclable materials are sent to the appropriate facilities. Hazardous waste is disposed of safely, following environmental regulations. This not only reduces landfill waste but also gives back to the community by ensuring usable items find a new home. Create a safer and more functional space. A cluttered garage is more than just an eyesore, it can also be a safety hazard. Piles of junk can create tripping and falling risks due to scattered objects. Pest infestations, as rodents and insects often nest in cluttered spaces. Fire hazards, especially if flammable materials like old paint, gasoline, or cardboard boxes are improperly stored. By clearing out your garage with the help of a junk removal company, you create a safer environment and free up space for vehicles, storage, and work areas. Stress-free experience. Decluttering can be emotionally overwhelming, especially if you have sentimental attachments to some of your stored belongings. A junk removal company helps make the process easier by providing professional guidance on what to keep, donate, or dispose of. Removing items efficiently, so you don't have to second-guess your decisions. Offering same-day or scheduled pickups, allowing you to declutter at your convenience. With expert assistance, you'll avoid the stress and stay motivated to complete the cleanout process. Environmentally friendly junk removal. Austin is known for its eco-conscious community, and responsible waste management is essential when decluttering your garage. Professional junk removal services prioritize recycling as much as possible, reducing the environmental impact. Donating usable items to local shelters, thrift stores, or community organizations. Disposing of hazardous waste safely, ensuring compliance with local regulations. By choosing an eco-friendly junk removal service, you contribute to sustainable waste management efforts in Austin. Convenience and efficiency. Decluttering your garage on your own means. Sorting through everything manually. Finding transportation for large items. Figuring out where to take unwanted goods. Spending weekends making multiple trips to donation centers or landfills. A professional junk removal company takes care of everything in one go, providing a fast and convenient solution. Maximize your garage space. Once your garage is clutter-free, you can finally use it for its intended purpose. Whether you want to park your car inside to protect it from the elements, create a home gym, workshop, or storage space, set up an organized shelving system for tools and seasonal decorations. A junk removal service helps you take the first step toward transforming your garage into a practical and functional space. Final thoughts. Declutter your garage the smart way. If your Austin garage is overflowing with unwanted items, hiring a professional junk removal company is the best way to reclaim your space quickly, safely, and efficiently. With expert handling, eco-friendly disposal, and stress-free service, you can enjoy a clean, organized garage without the hassle of doing it yourself. Ready to get started? Contact a trusted junk removal company in Austin today and take the first step toward a clutter-free, more functional garage.